speaking to the building, they need to ring 999. There is a dedicated line for this incident.
I ran outside and then looked up, and it was just a blaze. Everything, it was an absolute nightmare. It was like something out of a horror movie.
And then suddenly I saw the big flames coming out from the window, inside to the flat as well. I tried to put it out, but because it was too strong.
I saw people jumping out the window, man. It was crazy. Saw people jumping out the window.
There's a lot of dead bodies, a lot of kids, and a lot of dead bodies that were all on the floor. They were obviously covered up, but there were a lot of people that did not make the fall.
We rescued large numbers of people from inside the building very early on across a range of different floors. I've spoken to crews who've been up as far as the 19th and 20th floor. In my 29 years of being a firefighter, I have never ever seen anything of this scale.
She was actually saying, "Are you guys coming? Are you guys coming? Are you guys coming?" I was like, yeah, we're coming, because when we went to get the shield from the police van, I thought, yeah, they're going up there to get them down. And I said to her, they're coming for you, they're coming to get you. I don't know if they did.